Hey guys and girls, welcome to lesson number 4 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifectner.com. In these lessons we are learning to speak in Hindi and Urdu through English. Lesson number 4 is about moods. We will be using the word mood in Hindi and Urdu in different sentences. Usually moods are called mood in Hindi and Urdu. So let's begin lesson number 4. Moods. I am happy. मैं means I. खुश means खुश. Happy हूँ am. मैं खुश हूँ. I खुश happy हूँ am. मैं खुश हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. I am sad. I उदास sad हूँ means am. मैं उदास हूँ. मैं उदास the. It's not da, udas, it's udas. मैं उदास हूँ. I am sad. मैं उदास हूँ. I am excited. मैं जोशीला हूँ. मैं जोशीला हूँ. जोशीला means excited. मैं जोशीला हूँ. I am excited. I am energetic. मैं तवाना हूँ. मैं तवाना हूँ. I am energetic. I am lonely. मैं तन्हा, not तन्हा, it's तन्हा हूँ. मैं तन्हा हूँ. I am lonely. So guys and girls, now we will be practicing to speak in Hindi and Urdu. I will be speaking in English and I would expect you to translate the sentences into Hindi and Urdu. I am happy. Yes, मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am sad. उदास. Very good. मैं उदास हूँ. I am sad. मैं उदास हूँ. I am excited. जोशीला. मैं जोशीला हूँ. Very good. I am excited. मैं जोशीला हूँ. I am energetic. Not it's ta. मैं तवाना हूँ. Very nice. Very good. मैं तवाना हूँ. I am energetic. मैं तवाना हूँ. I am lonely. तन्हा. मैं तन्हा हूँ. I am lonely. Excellent. So thank you very much guys and girls for joining us for lesson number 4 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifectner.com. Please subscribe to us. And if you would like to read more about how to learn about English and about Hindi and Urdu through English, then please visit our website ifectner.com. I see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.